However, not all chemicals found in nature are good for us. In fact, sweet old Mother Earth comes up with some of the most toxic stuff that you've ever heard of. Take cyanide, for instance. It's in a lot of stuff that we come in contact with every day. Foods like almonds, spinach, and lima beans contain cyanide, and so do the seeds of apples, which you have heard, and the pits of peaches. Cyanide is useful to plants because it's a primitive insecticide, causing a sort of molecular asphyxiation, preventing a bug's cells from being able to use oxygen. Now, it takes a lot more cyanide than you'd find in an almond to finish off a human, but guess what? We've figured out how to collect a whole bunch of cyanide in one place, because we really love gold. Gold, my precious. Mining operations use cyanide in large quantities in order to separate gold, silver, and other precious metals from the ore. In the cyanide process of ore extraction, ground up ore is sprayed with a cyanide solution, which dissolves the metal in the ore and draws it out. The solution is then collected, and the precious metal is taken out. But the byproduct of all of this is, of course, a big pile of cyanide-laced rock powder, aka hazardous waste to deal with. Or try to deal with, anyway. Mines do all kinds of stuff to reduce the concentration of cyanide in these leftovers, called tailings. Or they try and convert the cyanide into less toxic cyanate, but the toxin is never totally eliminated. So then it can end up leaking into the groundwater supply, or it could just sit there and keep dissolving other toxic metals out of the rock that also end up in our water, like mercury.